Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs transfer news as Kaizer Chiefs completes yet another signing, yet another striker. This time, Khanyisa Mayo from CR Belouizdad on loan. It's a 1-year loan deal with an option to make it permanent at the end of the season. We're going to talk about that. Make sure to smash a like, get your thoughts down on the comment section, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Kaizer Chiefs have been long-time admirers of Khanyisa Mayo. Just before he joined CR Belouizdad, apparently Chiefs came in knocking and they were late. He had already signed with CR Belouizdad. So Chiefs finally get their man. If you ask me, I think this is a good signing in the contract stuff. We are bringing in someone who has done it in the Betway Premiership. His Betway Premiership proven. Unlike Flavio Silva, taking nothing away from Flavio Silva, Khanyisa Mayo has done it in the Betway Premiership. Unlike Ighodaro, he has a good record in the Betway Premiership. In the 22-23 season, he scored 12 goals. In the 23-24 season, he scored 10 goals. That's a good record by PSL standards. I think if you have a striker that can score you 10 goals in the league, you stand a really good chance to finish in a decent position. So I think this is a signing that's going to improve the team. He ticks all the boxes. He scores goals. Also very good technically. Free kick specialist. He can also play on the right. So I think this is a good signing, but he's not going to just walk in into the starting 11. He's going to have to work hard to earn his place with a team that's doing really well currently. Our forwards, Flavio Silva, less than 60 minutes played, less than 45 minutes played. He has a goal. Mwandile Duba did very well last season. This season he started very slow, but he's still a good player. Echiosa Ighodaro, also a new signing. Luke Bartman, why do you have Lilepo? Really good player. Pule Modi, Castins Arena. So the competition is a bit tight, and we have to take into account that he's coming off from a bad season. He's got 4 goals in 27 games, and that's not good enough. And I think that's why Belouizdad moved him on. So he'll have to fight for his place. Let's see how he makes it into this team. I think if we get the Khanyisa Mayo from Cape Town City, then this is going to be a very good signing. Let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Smash a like. Thanks for watching. I'm out.